Preparations to host the whole world during FIFA 2022 is proceeding beautifully and in full-on pace here in Qatar. One could certainly feel that when you just pass the Cornish side. I never get tired of this view. And today I'm taking this ride to this beautiful destination, to the Sheraton Grand. It was indeed a pleasure and an honor for me to get invited to be part of this second Zero Waste and Waste Management Conference happening in Sheraton Grand Resort and Convention Center for these 2 days, that is 13th and 14th of June 2022. I had shared the making of a beautiful sculptural artwork in one of my previous videos, and I was fortunate enough to exhibit that artwork, which is named Verdure, in this exhibition, or which was part of this conference. Along with these curated upcycled artworks by Doha Fire Station, the Ministry of Municipality themselves had arranged few sculptures which were all created using repurposed materials like single-use plastic bottles, cardboards, takeaway boxes, etc. As you could see inside the structure of rowboat, it was filled with the takeaway aluminum boxes. There were some more interesting structures placed in many places at this conference hall. The event was very well attended by people or representatives from many different verticals. There were talks and panel discussions happening during these 2 days conferences, and many organizations signed contracts for various sustainable initiatives in the coming future. Personally, for me, it was really informative because I came to know about various materials which could easily replace single-use plastic and various other materials which leave carbon footprints. This signage is for yet another most awaited event that is going to happen in 2023, soon after this year's FIFA World Cup. And as you could see, the signage is created using discarded plastics and cardboards. As I had mentioned in one of my previous videos, Doha Fire Station Art Gallery had done a competition for plastic upcycling, and they had curated 8 of our artworks, and they exhibited this in this beautiful pavilion, and it was very well accepted, and we got real good appreciation and encouragement. This gentleman is the artist who won the first place, and this artwork that is depicting the horse was created by him. It was really inspiring to see various self-developed technique practiced by various artists to create such brilliant artworks. This was yet another structure in the shape of a thermometer created by the ministry themselves. Towards the end of the 2-day conference, it was indeed an honor for us to be invited for this felicitation ceremony, and we were awarded by the minister himself. The session had a panel discussion, and it was very well attended. The invited chief guests and invited VIPs were seated, and we were also part of this initiative. And it was really motivating and encouraging for such initiatives. And during the event, there was a wonderful panel discussion where the ministers discussed about upcoming strategies and plannings for the waste management and the aim for zero waste for the upcoming ventures, even for the largest event that is going to happen, that is FIFA 2022, and for the Doha Expo 2023. Even though the discussion was in Arabic, it was very convenient for non-Arabic speakers to use this headphone to get the translation. As I mentioned earlier, there were organizations who signed contracts for mutual agreements and memorandums for their future initiatives. And it was really a great feeling to witness all these happenings. While witnessing all these things, I was feeling so grateful inside out for this beautiful country, for giving me such an opportunity, to giving me this wonderful platform to exhibit my artworks and accepting this. This was indeed a milestone day for me, and I would cherish all these memories forever. And it was an honor for me to be able to share this platform with so many honorary chief guests and ministers. It was me receiving the felicitation from Minister of Municipality, and this was a group picture captured with the Minister of Environment and Climate Change. And this is me with the artwork. I'm so glad to have captured some glimpses of this art journey and to be able to share it with you guys. Hope you all enjoyed it and found it inspiring or informative. Stay tuned for some interesting and exciting art journey updates. In the meantime, please do consider subscribing to this art channel. Thank you. Bye for now.